Hey, what's going on guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can add extensions to Google Chrome. So let's start. So first, click on the three dots here right beside your profile picture. Go to extensions and click on visit Chrome Web Store. Now, once you're here, you can click on extensions and you can search for an extension that you want. So say for example, if you want to have an extension for converting US dollars to other currencies, you can simply type US converter. So say for example, you want to add this extension, all you have to do is click on it and click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. And you will notice that this extension is going to be downloaded right here. So once it is done downloading, you can see that it says currency conversion calculator has been added to Chrome. Now you can check that out by clicking on this puzzle icon here and clicking on your extension right here. So for example, if you want to convert 100 US dollars to euros, you can just simply type 100 and click on convert, and it will show you how much 100 US dollars is to euros. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. This is how you can install extensions to Google Chrome. I hope this is helpful and see you on the next one.